Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm so excited to try out this product here from KVD Beauty, and it's the Lock-It Powder Foundation. And I got this in my November 2021 Boxycharm Premium Box, which if you still have not seen that unboxing video, I'll have that video linked in the description down below so you can check it out. This is an expensive foundation. It retails for $37. You can get it at Sephora. It's cruelty-free, vegan. I have it here in the shade Fair 110, which is the lightest shade that it comes in. And it says online that, like most powder foundations, this shows up darker than it actually looks. So I'm glad I was able to get this in the lightest shade. I'm really excited about the fact that this is supposed to be full coverage. I don't know if I've tried out a full coverage powder foundation, so that's really exciting. This has pretty good ratings. I like the sound of the ingredients in it. It has rice powder extract to blur away imperfections, and kaolin, a clay mineral that helps give a diffused matte finish without feeling dry, making this formula ideal for a range of skin types. And it does come with an applicator, which I'm excited to try out. Hopefully the applicator that comes with it works well enough, but I do have a brush and my dampened sponge here to try out. I also wanted to see how this would be with the primer versus without it. So this side of my face has no primer on it. The other side of my face here, I went in with the Ciate London Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. And this is my daily primer right now. And I figured since this is a matte formula, maybe I would need a hydrating primer underneath. So now we can try it out with both techniques. And so here is the packaging, which is really beautiful. And this is the applicator. It's just one of those classic dense sponges. So I open it up. It has the mirror here, which is great. I love the red on the inside. It does seem like you get barely any product in here because it's like indented to finally get to what seems like a very thin layer of the foundation for $37. So hopefully you actually do get enough to last for a while. I guess first things first, I'll try it out with the applicator that comes with it on half of my face. It does seem pigmented, like it will be full coverage. Oh yeah. And I'm blending it along. This is the side of my face without the primer. Oh wow. So my chin gets dry. Just looking at my skin without this product, you don't see any dry patches, but as I'm going over it, it is creating such visible dry patches and dry texture. Ugh. That is not going to be good for dry skin if it's not only emphasizing texture, but kind of creating texture. And now I don't feel like the shade is oxidizing or getting too much darker than how it looks in the compact here. I do like how it's blending out with this applicator. I don't feel like it's leaving behind any streaks or marks. So here over the redness on my cheeks, let's see if I can actually get that full coverage that it claims. I mean, that's decent coverage. That's not full coverage. Right here, it's like medium coverage. But it is leaving a slightly dry, cakey texture. On my nose, I tend to be a little bit more oily. So maybe let's see if it looks smoother here on my nose. Ooh. Okay, actually no. It is not smoothing out the pores, it's actually emphasizing the pores. it's like sitting into my pores, creating terrible looking texture, created a dry patch texture here. Oh no. Oh no, that is not working out. Okay, I'm gonna try switching applicators. I'm gonna pick up my dampened sponge here, the silicone dipped sponge that I typically use. And, ooh, it does seem like it's easier to blend with this sponge. A little bit smoother to blend too, which could help. Maybe I'm able to get a bit more coverage with this sponge as well. But at this point I have layered up quite a bit over the redness on my cheeks, and there is still redness peeking through. So that is not full coverage. That's a medium to full coverage. No, even, see, I didn't even realize I had so much dryness to my skin until I'm putting this powder on top of it. But I'm seeing dry patches, cakey texture on my forehead, even with this applicator as well. So I am someone who is very picky about the texture of my skin, and this just looks so bad. It just looks like so textured, like the most rough, large pore area, but then I touch it and it feels completely smooth. But why is it making my skin look so bad? Oh gosh. Well, I'm glad I went ahead and primed this side of my face because I feel like this foundation needs it. Let's see if there's a difference. Because you do not want your foundation creating texture and pores. It's supposed to cover that up. Okay. That is not helping. It still looks equally as textured. It is clinging to everything on my skin. Like, it's uneven, it's streaky. How can a powder be streaky? But it is. And so, let's see, like, does it get darker? No. If anything, does it seem like it gets lighter? So the shade match on me also is not good. The texture, I don't get it. I don't understand how this has the ratings that it has. It has 4 stars on Sephora. And with the texture that it's creating, I just don't get it. Like, so patchy, so strange to me. And it's not because of my skin, it's not because of the applicator, it's just happening with the product. Wow. So if you have any recommendations for other techniques that I should use, let me know in the comments down below, but I think I just have to say that this product didn't work out for me. I am definitely surprised and bummed because I was so excited about this based off of all those claims. But no, I just don't get it. This is not a product that is gonna work for me personally. If it works for you, please let me know in the comments down below. I'm so curious to hear everyone's thoughts on this. But thank you so much for watching my video today. I'm not even gonna say that I'm gonna continue wearing this and do a wear test with it because it just looks literally unwearable on me. I just can't even get over. Oh man. But thanks again for watching this video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.